In an effort
To improve environmental sanitation across Edo State gained momentum on Tuesday as heads of Environment Department, local government councils paid a courtesy visit to the Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, Sadatoloki Eseigbe. During the visit, the spokesman Director of Environmental Health Services in Isako West, Mr. Agbonoga Igenukume, congratulated the Commissioner on his appointment and outlined the present sanitation challenges facing the department. He emphasized that improved government support is crucial for tackling the growing sanitation needs across the local governments.
Country the professional body. One, year of environmental health officers. Environmental health officers are trained, registered, and licensed by the Environmental Health Council of Nigeria, ECON, the federal government regulatory agency responsible for the regulation of environmental practice in Nigeria. Sir, we are statutorily empowered to ensure that the environment is safe and that the inhabitants live in a clear and healthy environment. That can only be attained through sustained, routine, effective, and efficient sanitary premises inspection directed towards detecting and abatement of nuisances. Sadly enough, these critical professionals are grossly inadequate to cope with the enormous environmental challenges confronting the state. The cadre is overtly neglected and discriminated against during employment interviews, so far conducted into the public service. To execute environmental health-related programs and activities, which include but not restricted to clearing and evacuation of refuse from public places, disinfecting of block trains, clearing of road vehicles to high risks in public places, removal of obstructions from public places or public roads.
Responding to the concerns, Dr. Loki Eseigbe reaffirmed the state government dedication to maintaining a clean and healthy environment, adding that the Okweolu's-led administration is committed to providing the necessary resources and called for collaboration between the departments and administration of local government leadership to achieve a cleaner Edo.
We are aware that your mandate borders on the issue of safety and cleanliness. Just like the Bible says, cleanliness is what is next to godliness. Your role in the local government is very, very key, is very, very vital. The government of the day is also very, very passionate about having a safe, clean Edo. And that is why we say Edo is risen, because the state can only rise when you have put in place those mechanisms that makes a difference between the past and the present. If you look at the agency that's responsible for waste management, I must tell you that the government has been doing its best. We have bought a lot of supporting equipment to support evacuation of waste, including even in our marketplaces and our dump sites. So I think it's in that direction, just like I said before now. The mention of your officers those days was the beginning of wisdom. When we used to hear of Eco, you know, when you hear they say these men are coming, you have to go and put your house in order. Because I remember not too long when we were still very young, the day you hear of environmental, nobody goes anywhere. You pack your family, your children, everybody have to come outside and start cleaning the entire premises, including even our eateries, the same thing. But as I speak with you, the reverse is the case. And I don't think the state government will be happy about this, because when we talk about different diseases and sickness, it's from dirty environment, which is very, very unacceptable to the government of Senator Mondo Kwebulu. And I think it was in that same light that the governor has also approved for us to immediately employ more staff to beef up the manpower in the various environmental departments across the 18 local governments in the state. It's the issue of partnership. We really want your department to ensure that you will partner with our various administrations in the local governments. Then so that if there are areas where you think there are lapses, let us know. We will be able to call the 18 local government chairman to order to ensure that your department is giving priority attention, including the area of budgetary provisions. Because I know for sure the primary purpose where we have local government is to ensure it's for the safety and cleanliness of our citizens living at the grassroots. Because no government will be happy to have local governments that cannot live up to expectation. And that is not what Senator Mondo will stand for. It stands for cleanliness, it stands for safety. So we'll sue for your cooperation as we continue to pilot the affairs of the state.
Chairperson of the forum, Mrs. Blessing Ehigiato, thanked the commissioner for his openness and pledged the department's commitment to strengthening sanitation services at the grassroots level.
That that very sanitation thing, we are not seeing in one thing because the local government is bad. We normally, even as little as we are, we normally deploy ourselves to different areas, different locations, with other partners from other departments. Maybe that was why you saw one. Maybe that one of our member was working with this set of people. So this note, I want to thank you, sir.
The visit marks a renewed push for sustainable sanitation practices and stronger institutional support across Edo State. From Edo State Secretariat, Uche Tanya reporting, Fafema Reporters TV.